to our channel. Today we are going to share with you an interesting video. But before starting the video, let me ask you a question. Have you ever thought of how would human societies evolve differently if agriculture had never been developed? Or, without agriculture, would we have seen the same rise of complex civilization and large cities? Undoubtedly, agriculture played a significant role in the development of civilizations and cities. Agriculture provided a regular food source, allowing larger populations to thrive and settle. Without it, human cultures could have remained nomadic, with smaller, less stable settlements. Plus, modern agriculture supports a diverse and nutritious food supply. Without it, people would face limitations in their diet, leading to a potential increase in health issues due to poor nutrition. In essence, agriculture is integral to sustaining human life and society as we know it. Its absence would require radical changes in how we approach food production, resource management, and community living. As new technology has brought a revolution in every field of life, agricultural industry is also benefiting from it, largely and widely. As it has the industry improved the crop productivity and easier the job of the farmer. Implanting new technology into agriculture has reshaped it as precision agriculture. In our today's video, we are going to explore the world of precision agriculture. So, watch the video carefully and have handsome amount of knowledge about the topic. Understanding precision agriculture. The term precision indicates exactness or correctness. Precision agriculture involves gathering, processing, and analyzing data to improve resource efficiency, productivity, quality, profitability, and sustainability of agricultural products. Precision farming involves following proper protocols and doing the correct thing at the right time and location. Managing crop production inputs, e.g. water, seed, and fertilizer, to improve yield, quality, and profit, reduce waste, and promote environmental sustainability. Precision farming involves tailoring agricultural inputs and techniques to crop and agroclimatic conditions, resulting in more accurate applications. To get a better understanding of precision agriculture, let us have a look into the tools involved in it and how are these tools important for sustainable agriculture. Firstly, GPS and GNSS, Global Navigation Satellite System, technologies are critical components of precision agriculture, allowing farmers to correctly locate and manage their crops. GPS and GNSS receivers are commonly built into agricultural equipment, like tractors and planters, to offer real-time positioning and direction. This accuracy allows farmers to maximize crop location, reduce waste, and boost yields. Furthermore, GPS and GNSS technology enables variable rate application, in which different crop inputs are applied depending on soil type and crop requirements. This precise treatment reduces environmental impact while improving overall crop health. Secondly, precision agriculture leverages advanced technologies, including mobile devices, to improve crop yields and reduce environmental impact. Mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets, play a crucial role in monitoring and managing agricultural operations. They enable farmers to track soil moisture, temperature, and other vital signs in real time, enhancing decision-making and reducing labor costs. Mobile apps also facilitate crop scouting, field mapping, and precision irrigation, allowing farmers to make data-driven decisions and optimize their operations. Additionally, mobile devices support variable rate application, enabling farmers to apply the right amount of inputs at the right time and location. Next, the use of robotics in precision agriculture has transformed farming operations, increasing efficiency, productivity, and sustainability. Robots can plant, monitor, and harvest crops precisely, reducing labor expenses and errors. Precision farming technology, such as robots that assess soil moisture and temperature, allow for more efficient fertilization and irrigation. Drones with cameras and sensors scan fields, detect pests and diseases, and monitor crop progress. Autonomous tractors and harvesters also reduce equipment wear and tear, which improves overall farm management. This technique encourages ecologically friendly farming methods, reducing wastes and increasing crop yield. Additionally, precision irrigation techniques, which maximize agricultural output and water efficiency, have completely changed agriculture. With the use of this knowledge, farmers may more efficiently and productively irrigate each crop with the proper amount of water. Additionally, farmers can identify early indicators of disease, pests, and drought with the use of precision irrigation systems, which enables prompt action. Farmers may boost crop yields, save water, and become more profitable by implementing precision irrigation, all the while promoting sustainability and environmental conservation. Besides that, precision agriculture uses sensors to collect and analyze enormous amounts of data, allowing farmers to make more educated decisions. Soil sensors monitor moisture, temperature, and pH levels. Weather sensors track weather patterns. GPS and satellite imagery monitor crop conditions. And fauna sensors detect pests and illnesses. This information is then used to improve crop growth, minimize waste, and boost yields. Sensors can also help automate farm activities, lower labor costs, and lessen environmental effect. Farmers may use sensor technology to improve crop quality, reduce resource usage, and increase profitability. Another technology used in precision agriculture is the VRA, variable rate application. Seeding is a precision agriculture technology that optimizes crop planting by applying different amounts of seeds, fertilizers, and pesticides based on terrain, soil type, and crop needs. VRA seeding generates detailed maps of fields using geographic information systems, GIS, and sensor data, allowing farmers to make more precise planting and resource allocation decisions. This technique allows farmers to boost yields, reduce waste, and limit environmental effect. Benefits include enhanced crop quality, lower seed prices, and greater resource usage. Finally, precision agriculture is largely reliant on reliable data and professional insights to improve crop growth and performance. A nutrient expert system in precision agriculture is a computer-based system that uses soil science, agronomy, and machine learning to make exact recommendations about fertilizer delivery, timing, and dose. This approach considers a variety of characteristics, including soil type, moisture levels, temperature, and crop growth stage, to produce the best fertilizer plan for each field or plot. By doing so, it enables farmers to make data-driven decisions, decreasing waste and improving crop yields while minimizing environmental effect. Thus, the precision agriculture has the ability to optimize resource allocation, reduce waste, and minimize environmental impact. By collecting and analyzing data on factors such as soil condition, weather, and crop health, farmers can make informed decisions about planting, irrigation, and harvesting. This leads to increased crop yields, reduced costs, and a more sustainable agricultural industry. As a result, precision agriculture is crucial for ensuring global food security and mitigating the effects of climate change. Hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then like the video and subscribe to our channel to get notifications of our new videos. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.